Understanding Vertical Drop, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, vertical drop. This is a commonly used term in English, and understanding its meaning and context can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive right in. Vertical drop refers to a straight downward fall or descent. The word vertical means straight up and down, perpendicular to the ground. When we say drop, we're talking about a sudden fall. So, a vertical drop is a direct plunge down without any deviation. 2.1 in Geography and Nature. In geography, a vertical drop is often used to describe steep parts of mountains or cliffs where the ground falls away sharply. For example, the mountain has a vertical drop of 500 feet. 2.2 in Theme parks and roller coasters. In the context of theme parks, a vertical drop is a thrilling element of a roller coaster where the ride plummets down a near vertical track. For instance, the roller coaster's vertical drop was the scariest part. 2.3 in General speech. In everyday language, the term can be used metaphorically to describe a sudden decrease in something, like prices or temperatures. Example, after the announcement, the stock prices took a vertical drop. Here, we can show images or animations of a cliff with a steep drop, a roller coaster with a vertical track, and a graph with a sharp decline, to visually represent the concept of a vertical drop. That's all about vertical drop. We hope this video has helped you understand this phrase and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, learning English is a journey. Keep exploring and having fun with the language. See you in our next video.